That is absolutely stunning. That is the famous mosque that's in all the photos. We're in Morocco! Morning and welcome to day 16. It's pretty early, it's just after 7. We're leaving the campsite now because I want to sort of ride through Casablanca. Hello. That's all. Okay. Shukran. Shukran. Yeah, everybody's just so friendly. This is the kind of traffic that you can experience if you dare to ride through Casablanca. That is absolutely stunning. That is the famous mosque that's in all the photos. Academies Arts Traditionals. Traditional. What a beautiful school. And of course you have the mosque. That is absolutely stunning. Look at the murals on the walls. I love the buildings, I love the architecture. You know, you get the old and new all in one shot. As you can see, we're back on the coast. Small surf, but nice. Either way. Getting a little bit further down the coast to SAFI and stop along route and see what the west coast has to offer. This little surf shack on the beach. Looks like a surf school or something. Heading south down to SAFI, and you've got this sort of section where the towns just disappear and then a few mosques as you'd expect, and then you've got all these little villages. So we're just heading into the market of this little town, just on the outskirts, and then we're going to head back into the rural part on our way to SAFI. This is a bit more what I'm looking for in relations to Moroccan lifestyle. You got to watch out for the car drivers and the taxis. The taxis sort of don't actually give a shit. They will just get past as quickly as possible, even if that means pushing you out the way. So you got some very beautiful smells coming off these markets. Some herbs, some spices. If you're vegan, probably not the best place to go to. You've got cow parts and everything. All along the route you see these ladies and a couple of goats, a couple of cows. Some have more, some have less. And then you see the shepherds with all the sheep. It's quite a beautiful setting. I just love the simplicity of Morocco. You know, everything is just simple, basic. You know, you have your luxuries and so on, you know, in the bigger towns and the bigger cities, but everyone's like on little mopeds, everyone's on, the farmers have horse and carts, you got benzene over there. When you get a little further out of the cities, this is what I think Morocco is all about. You got to watch out for wandering little doggies as well. Just be a little bit more vigilant when you're riding through Morocco. Respect the animals. They can be unpredictable. This one. Hey guys, it really helps me out if you can share the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for new content. Shukran. Shukran. So we are just about to arrive in maybe the destination for today. We are going to have a look. I didn't see many campsites around this region. I'm going to stop, have a coffee, have a look on the internet, see what's going on. Go to the next bigger town, Essaouira, I think it's called. It's basically just directly on the opposite side of this peninsula. But look at that coastline. We hit the southern part of Morocco. We're going to a town called Essaouira. And then after Essaouira we've got one more town to go, Agadir, and then we're going to go back inland to the mountains. So from the rural parts of SAFI to the Atlantic Ocean, and there it is. That's pretty cool. There's nothing here, just a few houses, and then you have a mosque. Huge, middle of nowhere. Ah, this is just such an incredible road to ride. Alright, so we're on the Essaouira beach. We're going to sort of close off today. We just had a walk around the Medina, which is over there. And then you've got the port, which is down there. The setting sun, and then you've got the beach. It's quite a nice little town. It's very peaceful to walk around. If you are on your way down south and you fancy a nice little beach break, I suppose, come down to Essaouira. I mean, the beach is massive. Loads of people. Average, I think the temperature today was 25, 26 degrees. Don't know what the water temperature is, but I think I've been told it's around about 16 or 18 degrees. The food in the Medina is a little bit suspect, some of it, but I found some really nice food, sort of at the lower end of the Medina. Had some green tea, and then I'm going to head back into the Medina for a pancake for Nutella, make it a 3-course meal, Medina style. And then I'm going to head back to the hotel. I've got some stuff to do. So tomorrow it's going to be a little bit of a later start. Breakfast at the hotel is 9 till 11. Quite tired. I think it's just the heat, the long days in the saddle, all the sightseeing and so on. It does sap you full of energy and stuff. So I'm just going to have an early night. It's around about 7:30, 8 o'clock now. And I will see you guys on the road tomorrow. Okay, so introduce yourself and tell me what you are doing.
Hello everyone, my name is Hisham from Morocco. I'm traveling here and I find myself in Essaouira making crepes for people. I'm enjoying to make your crepes. You order special one. Now we're gonna put the pot. Then I will add some fruit like walnut, pistache, then the red fruit.
To see Morocco.
You wanna see Morocco?
Yeah.
I advise you for the small villages, then you can see the real Moroccan.
Thanks for joining me again, and see you next time.